Hey everyone, I'm Ishan Sharma. A couple of weeks ago, I saw this crazy headline that stated IIT BHU grad gets placed in Uber for 2 crore rupees per annum. And that was a huge news. Everyone was talking about it. It was in the news channels as well. It was this huge thing and they were hyping it up like anything. And in this video, I want to talk about these misleading 2 crore dream packages that you see on headlines. This relates to me a lot because when I was in my 8th and 9th grade, I saw these packages and I got really hyped up about getting my admissions into these top IIT colleges. And that is what I did for the next 3 to 4 years. But without waiting any further, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe, and let's get into this video.
A proud student of IIT Guwahati has been offered a package of about 2 crore from none other than Uber.
प्लेसमेंट सीजन की धमाकेदार शुरुआत हुई है और इसमें बाजी मारी है आईआईटी रुड़की के छात्रों ने। यहाँ के एक छात्र को सबसे ज्यादा 2 करोड़ 15 लाख रुपए का पैकेज मिला है। ये कितना मायने रखता है?
So this is the 2 crore package that was offered by Uber. I will divide this by 75.46 to get to the dollar amount. That is going to be $265,000. Make sure that you remember this and keep this in your mind right now. So we will now get into levels.fyi. This is a website people use to anonymously submit their salaries from across the globe, across different companies, across different locations. So first of all, we will just go into salaries and we will go by location. As you can see, right? We will go by location and we will see how much are software engineers in California getting paid. So we will just click over here, San Francisco Bay Area, and as you can see, the median salary, the median total compensation package is $220,000, right? This includes the big tech, this includes remote startups and stuff like that. And then you can also scroll down and you can see exactly what company is paying how much depending on the level of the software engineer and the experience that they have. So first of all, let's just look at Uber. So I'll search for Uber and here I can see all the packages according to the anonymous submissions, right? You can see how much is Uber really offering and for different roles, for different experiences. I will go into the sort and I will click on the newly grad, right? Now, if you look over here, you can see the base, you can see the stock that they get per year, and they also look at the bonus that they are offered. So if you go down, you can see that approximately it is going to be about $165,000. That is how much that they are offered. So first of all, as you can see, you get about 130K USD. That is going to be approximately 10.8K USD per month. That is what you'll get paid. And then you also get the stock grant. That is going to be approximately $30,000. The problem with the quote that you saw, the 2 crore package, is that they include this stock for all the 4 years in the CTC in the first year itself. So that 2 crore package that you saw included this 4-year stock grant as well. And then they give about $13,000 as one-time bonus. And that is how you get to a total of 2 crore rupees or $265,000. The next thing is going to be purchasing power parity. That is the amount that you need to pay in India and the amount that you need to pay in US for the same good. When you compare that, you realize that US is at least 5 times more expensive when you go to buy something over there when in comparison with India. The cost of living in the US is a lot higher, so the 2 crore package looks inflated, when in reality 2 crore package when adjusted to PPP in India will come to about 40 lakh rupees in India. I hope this video is helpful. One more thing that will be really helpful for you is to actually prepare for these coding interviews, and you can actually do that for free with the help of Coding Ninjas. Now, if you're preparing for your coding interviews as a budding developer, you have to take a look at Code Studio by Coding Ninjas. As you can see, this is the Code Studio website. You can check it out with the link in the description. It's completely free for you to use. Let's say you want to go to programming fundamentals, you want to strengthen your programming fundamentals, you can go down and you can see what sort of questions are asked and in which company interview was it asked, right? So let's say you want to go for this pair sum question, which was asked in Flipkart interview, Amazon interview, Morgan Stanley, as well as Infosys. You can click on this and you can start coding out the solution for this. On Code Studio, you can also get access to free structured roadmaps for DSA, web development, commutative coding, and many more different fields in programming. They have more than 2,000 company interview questions with solutions available both in C++ and Java. Not only this, you also get more than 600 plus coding interview experiences from top product-based companies like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon. So take a look at the link in the description, and now let's move on to the next part. Next, let's also talk about the taxes that you have to bear whenever you are living in a country like US, whenever you are living in a state like California, when you are living in San Francisco. So if you look over here, this is what you should take a look at. This is an anonymous answer for a Quora question someone asked, and I'll leave the link of this Quora question in the description. So basically they're just saying that they work as an engineer in the big 4 tech companies, and they make about $265,000 in taxable income, and on top of that they need to pay a tax of $62,000 in federal income tax, $7,000 in social security, $5,000 in Medicare tax, $4,000 in property tax. That comes at about $78,000 altogether. Then they are saying that they live in Seattle, so they don't really live in California, and in Seattle they don't really have to pay any state taxes. But then if you're living in California, you have to pay an additional 10% state income tax, so that is going to be another 26,500 rupees from your pocket, and that is going to get the sum total to $104,000 in taxes alone. From your 265k job, you have to pay 104k in taxes. That's a lot of money, honestly. That's about 40% of what you normally earn. And that is a much better picture to understand how much you are actually getting paid. Also, they have included the 4-year stock grants that you will be getting in the first year itself, which is not a right thing to do. You should probably be reducing $90,000 from that, because you'll be getting that in the subsequent years. So in the first year, you'll be making about $70,000 after the taxes and after the stock compensation that you will be getting. I really feel that these 2 crore packages are too overrated, and it was important for me to share with you what actually goes on. You can take a look at levels.fyi to understand exactly how these things are working, how much are software engineers actually getting paid, and the taxes. You should always keep a check on that as well. That's all I have for you today. Make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Make sure that you take a look at Coding Ninjas. It's free for you to start preparing for these coding interviews, and I will see you all in the next video. Make sure that you write in the comment section, I watched till the very end if you're still watching. What do you actually think about this whole situation? Do you think they should stop doing it? Do you think they should continue with it? Let me know about that in the comment section as well. I will see you in the next video. You can take a look at my Instagram as well as Twitter. Bye-bye.